right, guys. Please be careful. Okay, be careful. No, no, no. Be safe. Be safe. Okay. Okay.
Mom, catch us.
Well, go ahead. No, I'm not going to catch you. I'm videoing you. Woo! Okay. Okay, be careful. All right. Woo! Whoops. You okay, Jodes?
Oh, are you okay?
Yep. Wait, be careful, be careful.
Mommy.
Megan, I think Megan, she wants you to do it again, honey. Megan, will you go with Jody, honey? So be careful at the end, so I don't want you guys to fall, okay?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. Okay, be careful. Boop. Yay!
Let's take a rest, Jody.
A rest? You don't need a rest.
I need a rest. Time for a rest.
Megan, she's calling you.
Jody, I want to take a rest.
Megan, it's really cute what she's doing. She's asking to sit in your lap. Get down.
Oh, yes.
She wants to be with you. Oh.
Well, Kevin.
Be careful. All right.
Mommy, I'm going to leave.
Bunk.
That's him.
Ah. Oh, come on. Go get back up there so she can go in your lap. Yeah, go on. Come on. Go ahead, Jody. She's coming. Okay. 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 You okay, Megs? You okay? Oh, be careful, be careful. Oh, hold on, she wants to sit in your lap. Okay, now go back up. Do one more with her. Can you go do one more with her, please? She's coming. She's coming, Jody.
I'm super positive, Jody. I'm positive, but be careful. So limited.
Okay. Okay, let go of her when you get at the very, yeah, once you're down, you can let go. Okay, take a rest.